What if I told you that the world's most mysterious book has resisted all attempts at translation for over 400 years? Hidden within Prague's Royal Library, a peculiar manuscript emerged in 1575, challenging our understanding of medieval knowledge and cryptography. The Voynich Manuscript, named after the book dealer who rediscovered it in 1912, contains 240 pages of beautifully illustrated text written in an unknown script. Its pages burst with bizarre botanical drawings, astronomical diagrams, and what appear to be medicinal recipes, all annotated in a code that has stumped the world's brightest minds. The manuscript's vellum pages have been carbon dated to the early 1400s, but its creator remains unknown. The text flows naturally, suggesting it's not random gibberish, yet it follows patterns unlike any known language. Its illustrations depict plants that don't exist on Earth and cosmic diagrams that defy medieval understanding. From medieval emperors to modern supercomputers, countless attempts to crack its code have failed. Even World War II codebreakers were left baffled. Some believe it's an elaborate hoax, while others insist it contains revolutionary medieval knowledge. Today, the manuscript sits in Yale University's rare book collection, still guarding its secrets. Could this be the most sophisticated encryption ever created, or is it simply the work of a medieval trickster? The answer remains locked within its mysterious pages, waiting for someone to finally unlock its code.